Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. Just want to share with you this really cool deal on Amazon, something that I don't think we've seen before, and pretty decent percentage off. I just thought it was really cool. I'll have a link down below. It's 70% off by Enegitech, which the same people who used to send me Tac Life stuff now send me deals for Enegitech. They didn't send me this one, but I feel like maybe it's the same company. It seems like it's the same company, but that doesn't matter. So here we have three different LED lighting options. This one's listed as $67.99. That's an inflated price. It was never worth $67.99, but by the time we take 70% off, you're only paying like 20 bucks for it. And what I like is it's a bare tool, but it says it's compatible with Makita 18 volt or DeWALT 20 volt batteries. So if you're in either of those platforms, this could be a really cheap way to get a nice LED work light that works off the existing cordless tool batteries you already have. It says up to 3,000 lumens, 20 watts. Just seems like a pretty cool item. And we have 482 reviews, 4.5 out of 5 championship belts. It's promising, very promising. Now, there's 3 total lights that are included with this promo code. You could only buy one per Amazon account. Pick your favorite, but pay close attention here. The second 2 lights on the page only mention Makita. They do not mention DeWALT. So I haven't paid close enough attention to how the batteries of Makita and DeWALT are different. Why does this one work for both and this one say they only work for Makita? I don't know. But that's what they say. So for the Makita people out there, you have these 2 options also. I kind of want to buy one just to see if I can put a DeWALT battery on it. And you can see these 2 are much cheaper. Much more reasonable price. You take 70% off of either of these, I mean, you're only paying about 10 bucks. So for Makita fans, you could really snag a cheap LED light. Anyway, the link's down below. I thought it was neat. Wanted to share it with you guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for not a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.